Okay, unit vectors. These are vectors of magnitude 1. So you've already met a couple of unit vectors. One being I, which is the same as 1, 0. So that's a vector magnitude 1 in the positive I direction, positive x direction. And j, which is the vector 0, 1, so magnitude 1 in the positive y direction. But you could have a vector of magnitude 1 in any direction if this length is 1. So I'll show you how to find a unit vector. So find a unit vector in the direction of A, and we'll let A equal 3i minus 5j. So the method is to divide by the magnitude. So we need to find the magnitude of A, which is the magnitude of 3i minus 5j. And if you remember, this is Pythagoras, so it's the square root of 3 squared plus 5 squared. So what's happening here, we've gone across 3, down 5, and so the length of this line here is the length of the hypotenuse, which is root 34. And then to find a unit vector in the direction of A, notation for a unit vector is this kind of hat that you put over A, and we need to divide through or multiply through by 1 over root 34. I don't normally work with i's and j's, but I'm going to do it. So you could do it like that, or we can multiply through, so 3 over root 34i plus, minus 5 over root 34j. So if you find the length of this line here, you'll end up finding that to be 1. I'll let you play with that. So that's notation for a unit vector. Once you've got a unit vector in the direction of A, you can find a vector of any magnitude in the direction of A. So if we want to, for instance, find a vector of magnitude 10, then I can multiply this unit vector by 10. So that would equal to 10 lots of the unit vector. Multiplying through by 10, we get 30 over root 34i minus 50 over root 34j. So this method enables you to find a vector of any size in a given direction. So if you could do, please, page 256, question 2, second column. Question 4. And if you've done any work on trig identities, you'd be okay to do question 13, but don't worry if that one feels a bit confusing. But mostly it's just finding some unit vectors and getting used to that technique. And then we can do a bit of work with them a bit later on.